Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, meet again with me Listi Sugiarti from Junior High School Tricilenyi. This time I will review a book using the storytelling methods. I will review a book entitled The Mirage of Seven, written by Ibrahim Muhammad LC and published by PT Alex Media Komputindo. Year 2012 and total of page 264 and reviewer is myself, Listi Sugiarti. In the era rapid development of modern science, the position of the Quran is intrinsically at its peak. The more the Quran saw its face, and illustrates how the Quran is truly good. Revelation which has been sent down directly from the sky. Its existence cannot be compared with other holy a book in so great and perfect. Even so, the Al-Quran is a holy book that really encourages the progress of the science and encourages the formation of civilization. In fact, the Al-Quran has become the force of world civilization. Obviously, story books record the Al-Quran can make a backward society advances. Let's look at the Quraysh society before the Al-Quran was revealed. They were known as Jahiliyyah, meaning backward society without civilization. After the Quran was revealed among them, then what happened is it turned out that the Quraysh was able to transform the backward Quraysh society into a high civilization society. Friend, you can look at the progress of civilization achieved in the each represented by the upside column head. Now is Iraq, and the progress of civilization in the west represented by the Umayyad Caliphate in Russia, now Spain. The progress of science at the time truly science is big, from philosophy, hadith, fiqh, ulum and language to the level of short progress which has been development to this day. That's all I can say. Sorry if there may any mistake in pronunciation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.